Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. So today's video is random life hacks that don't really fit into any category because they are random. And so so today's video, no wait, I already said that, oh my god. So don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and yeah, sometimes I like tell you guys what I upload and make you guys choose and give you behind the scenes and all. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and click the bell, and let's begin with the video. Instead of scrubbing on top of words you don't want someone to read, write random letters on top of it. Get a pop socket to make watching videos easier. Put your phone's flash under a water bottle to create a lantern. Rub a pencil on a stuck zipper to fix it. When using tape, bend the tip so you can open it easily next time. Add rose water to your normal water for a refreshing taste. Roll the bottom of your chips to make the chips go up easier.